How to fix Shopee error M04. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how you can fix this issue. First of all, you have to add your product to the checkout. So this is my cart and I have already added two of my products here. So I just want to buy all of them. I will just go and select all of my product here and click on checkout. Make sure you have added a valid address. So this is my delivery address and I have to add a valid address, then only I will able to check out. So this is my product here, and if I scroll a little bit down, you can use a voucher, but make sure you use only those voucher which get compatible with your purchase, right? And here you can see there's another option which is called payment option. This is very important method because this is only process where most of the checkout get failed and it show the Shopee error M04. To solve this issue, first of all, you have to activate any one of them, and doesn't matter which any one of use, it should be activated and linked with Shopee app here. By the way, if you don't have any another option for the payment, you can always select cash on delivery. And if you just go a little bit down, you can place your order, right? But if you're still facing this problem, if you're still getting this Shopee error M04, then to fix this issue, first of all, you have to go to the Play Store and make sure you use the latest version of Shopee app, cause this can also be a bug. Then you have to go to the settings of your phone. Here in the settings, search for apps. Apps management. Apps management is basically where all the application which is installed in your phone will be shown here. In the search bar, you have to search for Shopee, right? And this is my Shopee app here. In the storage usage, I can clear the cache. This is very important, guys. Make sure you clear the cache. And you can also clear the data if you still face this issue. So after clearing the data, make sure you just restart your phone, you use the updated and latest version of the Shopee app, and every problem will get solved. This is the only one way to fix how to fix Shopee error M04. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.